Every great bottle of wine begins here, in the heart of the vineyard. Millions of grapes are grown and nurtured until they reach perfect ripeness.
Harvest Day brings the entire vineyard to life with careful, precise work.
Once harvested, the grapes begin their journey to the winery. At the sorting line, every grape is inspected for quality before processing. Machines gently separate the stems, preparing the grapes for crushing. The crushed grapes, called must, flow through a network of pipes and pumps. Every stage is carefully monitored to maintain perfect quality control. Inside towering tanks, the magic of fermentation begins. Yeast transforms sugar into alcohol, creating the wine's character. Skilled winemakers oversee every tank, ensuring consistency across millions of bottles. The final pressing extracts every last drop of flavor from the grapes. In cool underground cellars, wine ages slowly inside oak barrels. Master tasters check each barrel, watching for the perfect color and aroma. Patience is key, as some wines age for months or even years. At the bottling line, empty glass bottles await their golden contents. Precision machines fill each bottle with exact accuracy, thousands per hour. Each bottle is sealed and capped, locking in the wine's rich flavor. Elegant labels are applied, giving each bottle its final identity. Robotic arms pack the bottles safely, ready for shipment worldwide. From here, millions of bottles are distributed to markets around the globe. Every bottle carries the story of the land, the harvest, and the craft. From vineyard to glass, every step is guided by tradition and precision. This is how one winery turns nature's gift into millions of bottles of wine every single day.